Namaste everyone. I am Kavita Pant, the Indian yoga girl, and I welcome you to this channel, and also I welcome you to this session of yoga for beginners wherein we are going to learn standing yoga poses. So are you excited for today's session? Alright, so let's get down on a mat and we'll get started. So to start with, first let's sit down on a mat in Sukhasana, legs crossed, hands in Chin Mudra, relax them over the knees, eyes closed. We're going to chant your Om 3 times. So take a slow deep inhale. And now slowly you can open your eyes. From here we will move ahead towards our asana practice. So let's get standing on the mat. So to start today's asana practice, we'll stand on the mat because all the asanas that we are going to do today are all standing poses. So we stand with our feet together. First posture we are going to do Tadasana or the mountain pose. So what we do, keep the hands by the side. As we inhale, we will lift slowly both the hands up. Now interlace the fingers and turn your palms upward. From here, you will start to lift your heels off the ground and stand on the toes. Find a point in front of you where you can watch, where you can look and maintain the balance. So it's a really nice posture to help you find balance and focus in your body and in your mind. Keep focusing in the point, and also you can synchronize your breath with that focus. You'll try to hold here for 15 to 30 seconds and gradually increase your time. And then slowly as you exhale, release your heels down first and then release your hands by the side. It's a very nice posture, especially when we talk about the balance and focus, and also it stretches your calf muscles. So especially if you're a runner or if your activity requires a lot of walking, this is a really good posture for you. Now moving ahead to the next posture, you can practice this posture at least for 3 times and then go up till 5 times. From here, we'll move ahead towards the next posture, Padhastasana or standing forward bend. So how do we do that? Again, we stand with the feet together in Samasthiti, shoulders, hip and heels in one straight line. Hands by the side. Now as we inhale, we lift both the hands all the way up. Stretch them up nicely, look up, and as you exhale, you start to bend forward. So bend so that your upper body is first at a 90 degree. Do not bend your knees and slowly come all the way down. Now you can rest your hands either at your shin, your ankle, or if you can go all the way down, rest your palms on the mat. Try to touch the forehead to the knees. Hold here. Breathe. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And once again, as you inhale, you will slowly rise up, stretch up, look up, and exhale, release your hands by the side. That was Padhastasana. Now what you have to take care of here is you do not bend the knees, okay? If you are looking to touch the ground, do not bend the knees. Work on by keeping your knees straight and feel a really nice stretch in your hamstrings, in your spine. It's a very good stretch, especially for your lower body and for your spine. We'll move ahead from here to the next posture. That is what we call Trikonasana. Triangle pose. This is a really nice stretch for your sides. Your spine will be twisted sideways. How do we do that? Increase the gap between both the legs. Now from here, first we are going to do this on the right side. So rotate your right foot to the right and your hands come parallel to the ground. Now there is a one straight line right from the right fingertips all the way till the left fingertip. You gaze at your right fingertip. Now from here, as you exhale, you start to bend to the right side. Your right hand comes and rests on your right shin and your left hand goes all the way up. Now try to maintain this line between the left shoulder and the right shoulder. Do not hunch forward, okay? Focus on keeping this parallel to the ground. Your left side comes parallel to the ground, and it should not rotate forward. It should be rotated externally, and your left hand is all the way up. Now, if you can go further down, rest your hand on the ground, rest your palm on the ground. Again, you have to maintain this line. Do not rotate it forward. Keep it open. Keep the chest facing to the front. Left hand up, or you can bring it parallel to the ground if you want to go deeper. This is going to give you a really nice deep stretch on your left, on your right inner thigh, and as well as your left side of the body, this part. Keep holding here for at least 10 to 30 seconds, and then as you inhale, you will slowly come up. Once again, bring your hands parallel to the ground. As you exhale, release them down and rotate your foot. This time we are going to repeat this on the other side. So what you do, you rotate your left foot to the left side. Let me just tuck this in. All right, so your left foot rotates to the left. You lift your hands parallel to the ground once again, gazing at your left fingertips. And now from here, bend that left hand down, right hand up without rotating your side. So this time you're going to give a nice stretch to the right side. Your left hand can either rest at the knee or at the shin or at the ankle or completely all the way down, depending upon how flexible your body is today. You can go there, and then you can stretch your other hand also parallel to the ground. Keep your chest open and hold here for at least 10 seconds, and you can go up till 30 seconds. Feel the stretch in your left hamstring, left inner thigh, and also your right side of the body, your right shoulder, upper back. Keep breathing, do not stop breathing. Now as you inhale, you will slowly rise up and bring your hands parallel to the ground. Release your hands down, rotate your foot, and you'll come back to center. Now from here, we will move ahead to the next posture. We call this Deviyasana. So increase the gap between both the feet once again. Toes will be pointed outward. Now those of you who have knee issues, you can be gentle with this pose. Don't go so deep. And with your legs extended out, toes rotated outward, you will rest your hands on the thighs. Chest is open, spine is straight. Now slowly, you start to bend your knees outward so that your thighs come parallel to the ground. Now you are going all the way down. See how far you can go down, and you hold here. You can keep resting your hands on your knees for an extra support if you require, or you can just bring them in any mudra, in a Namaste mudra, or probably you can just open your hands out wide with the fingers in chin mudra or the Gyan mudra. Keep holding here, and you count here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now slowly come all the way back up. You can release your hands down. So it's a very nice posture, especially to strengthen your thighs, your lower body, and your knees also. But take care if you have knee issues. We can repeat this one more time, learning a little more about it. So spread out the legs wider, and one more time, start to bend the knees outward. So do not bend it forward like this. Make sure there's an external rotation happening to the knees. Your thighs are coming parallel to the ground, and you feel a really nice stretch in your inner thighs. You can rest your hands whatever way feels good to you. Stay focused, focus on your breath, focus on the strength that is being required from your lower body. It's a really good stretch. Increases your heart rate, so the heart pumping also gets better, and also it's good. It's a really good posture to burn the fat from your thighs, right? So keep holding here, and once you are ready, you can slowly move out from the posture. Try to hold this at least for 10 seconds, move up till 30 seconds, then see if you can do it for 1 minute. All right, with that, we will move ahead towards the last posture of the day, and that is Vrikshasana, the tree pose. So for tree pose, we'll bring our feet together. Vrikshasana is actually a balancing posture, so it will help you in finding balance, in improving your focus. So to do Vrikshasana, once again, we stand with the feet together. Now, bend your right knee and place the right foot either at the left inner thigh upward if you can. If not, just rest it at the left calf muscle. Okay, make sure the knee is not moving forward. It should be pointed outward, and just see wherever you can hold it, place it. And as you inhale, start to lift both the hands up and join the palms at the top of the head. Keep your left foot firm. To start with, you can slightly bend the left knee also so that you can balance better. And as you start improving the balance, you can straighten the left knee and hold here. Again, try to find a point in front of you wherein you can focus and hold this pose. Keep holding, keep breathing. If you're finding difficulty with this posture, find a wall and stand in front of the wall to do this. And then as you exhale, you can slowly bring your hands by the sides and release your right foot down. Then we repeat the same on the other side. So once again, placing the left foot this time on the right inner thigh or the calf, whatever works well, and the left knee should be pointed externally outward, not pointed forward. Keep the glutes engaged. Inhale, lift both the hands up. Join the palms at the top. Keep your shoulders open, chest open. Right foot firm on the mat. Find a point to focus ahead in front of you. Keep breathing. Try to find the balance as long as you can. If you want to challenge yourself further, you can close your eyes and try to balance. That's challenging. That's really challenging. So keep focusing. Keep finding the point of balance and try to hold as long as you can. And then slowly you can start to release your hands down and relax. There is a weather change also happening right now, so that also adds to the challenge. All right, so you can repeat this posture at least 3 times each side and try to hold for whatever time period you can, or probably you can do it just for 1 time and hold as long as you can. All right. So with that being said, we complete our today's session of standing yoga poses. These poses will help you in finding strength, finding balance, finding focus, and also flexibility. So everything is there that we are covering in today's session. So with that, we have completed our today's session of standing yoga poses, wherein we worked on our strength, our focus, our balance, and also flexibility. So almost everything is covered that is required by this body. I hope the lessons were pretty simple and clear to you. You can keep practicing. Of course, what I displayed today, you might not be able to reach it there today itself, but as you keep practicing, I promise you that you will definitely go beyond that. Practice is the only key to success, right? So with that being said, I'll sign off for the day and I'll meet you in the next session wherein we are going to learn Surya Namaskar. So I hope you're excited about it. So I'll meet you in the next video. So till then, keep practicing. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye and Namaste.